Hello.
Hello po.
Name.
So my name is F. Marunilla. F for short.
My name is Renan Estacio.
So before this, I was playing basketball po. How about you?
I was playing billiards.
So ano po, feedback sa community is, yun, I really like the community because very friendly lahat and then nakakalaro naman lahat. Even though na beginner and all, tinuturuan. So yun.
Sobrang warm ng welcome ng community. And hindi ako na-judge kahit beginner level pa lang. And, yun. So hoping to progress in this field.
And then, why pickleball?
Why pickleball is, before kasi I was planning to play tennis. And then, I saw this group sa Facebook. So, why not like start sa pickleball? Yan. Pero hindi na ako nakapag-tennis because, yun, na-in-love sa pickleball.
Was challenged when I was watching the pickleball game. So, I tried and it really got me challenged. So I want to pursue pickleball.
Alright. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.